Alright, thanks for checking out another upload of Escargot Boosted Garage. In this video I'm going to showcase some of the that was done on the A100 and some of the methods I used. You can see here the door gap is way out. Got punched in this way, so we're going to have to kind of pull it back the opposite direction to get the truck back in alignment. Around the hinges was real bad. The shape was all gone and it was all punched in there. So this body line was looking up towards the sky, and you could just tell everything was kind of pushed upwards and also creased all around the area of the headlight bucket. I welded these tabs on, hooked it up to a chain and come along. That way I had like full control and I could keep a constant pressure on the metal while I just tapped out the high points. Took the door off, checked the hinges. As you can see here, the ones on the left are the old hinges. The ones on the right are the new ones, unbent. So that's gonna help huge with the alignment. Gotta weld one more tab on here just to finalize and pull that body line out to where I want it. And yeah, that was it. Fortunate, this truck when I bought it came with a spare front end clip, so when I sectioned this I knew I was able to just take it off the other truck. Voila, there she is, tacked into place. Everything fit up really nice, triangulated all the holes there. Everything is in alignment. Bravo. Headlight bucket fits mint. So I was really happy with the outcome on that. Grinded the welds down and there you are.